Good morning, beta. Once again, good morning. Can you hear me, Rashmit?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's wait for others to join. We'll begin the class then.
Ma'am, we have only done one question answer of brief. That brief or.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. Okay, children, so what we have done in social studies so far?
Ma'am, last time we have done what is rotation.
What is rotation? We have done what is rotation. So let's just
Ma'am, but I
revise.
have not done the answer.
You have not.
Ma'am, we will have answer too.
Okay, wait. What is rotation? I will share screen with all of you. Okay, everybody, those who have not written what rotation is, now you people please write it down.
Ma'am, we will learn what is evolution.
Okay, what is rotation? Can you see? The spinning of the earth on its axis is called rotation. It moves from west to east. What moves from west to east? The earth moves from west to east.
Ma'am, I have done what is rotation. Ma'am, I have not done after the ninth one.
Ninth one?
Ninth key point.
Rest everyone has done in the class, all 12 key points.
Ma'am, yesterday
Yes,
I was absent.
Okay, beta, so you should take the work from D group. Have I sent the work on D group?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, there is not any work of.
Okay, I will send it today. I will send the work today on D group. Don't worry.
Ma'am, what are we doing?
Yes, ma'am, there is work. There is.
Ma'am, I have not done what is evolution answer.
Because I have not made you write the answer till now. That's why you have not written.
What is evolution, ma'am? I have done.
Done. Everyone has done. What is rotation?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do it. Then I will change the page. I'll come on to the next page, beta.
Ma'am, I am starting the question answer from a new page because I don't know how many lines we have to
Yes,
read.
yes, beta, yes. You can do it.
मैम tomorrow आपने yesterday आपने अलग करवाया था. What is rotation?
Beta, I have just added a line. The spinning of the earth or the movement of the earth on its axis is called rotation. It moves from west to east. The answer is same, beta. The meaning should be same. The language is a little different, but go to the meaning. The meaning is same now of both the answers.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you please show the second answer?
Beta, can you please let everybody do the first question?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta, yes.
Ma'am, I have written the movement and the spinning both.
Yes, that's correct. Write down A. Question will be dictates on this sentence. A. Why?
Ma'am, is it the fill in the blanks?
Beta, after fill in the blanks, it is answer the following in brief.
Okay, ma'am. After rotation, it's a full stop. Ma'am, please send the work on WhatsApp.
After rotation, which rotation? In question.
Ma'am, I think
Yes,
yesterday
there is,
we wrote that.
yes, there is a full
Ma'am, please
stop
post
and
the
then
work on WhatsApp.
I will post. Just wait.
Ma'am, I think yesterday we did this in the notebook to fill in the blanks.
Beta, you think, but
Yes,
I am sure we did. Now today,
Yes, ma'am,
we are doing answer the following in brief.
Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, please send the answer. Please send on the answer on group. Ma'am, please show me the second answer.
Yes, everyone has done. Can I change the page?
Yes,
Everyone
ma'am.
has written what is rotation?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, still no.
Ma'am, I am going to done in Ma'am, please send on WhatsApp group.
I have sent it on WhatsApp group, beta. I have sent it there.
Ma'am, where is the second question answer?
Beta, listen. Now it will come after it. Let everybody write this page first. How many children are still on this page?
Ma'am,
How
please
many?
share the second question answer.
Yes, I will now change the page. Those who have not done this, please see from the class WhatsApp
Ma'am,
group.
anybody's mic is disturbing. No, it is okay.
हाँ ठीक है हम लोग आते हैं
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, in answer to what is written after path,
Is called revolution.
ma'am, you have written wrong after the movement of the earth. Ma'am,
The movement of the earth around the sun in a fixed
Ma'am.
path is called revolution. Yes.
ma'am, there is some mistake that ma'am, you have when there is full stop, you have not written the capital letter of A.
It's not a full stop, beta. It's a comma after earth. It is not a full stop.
Okay. करो।
अभी मैम ने सिर्फ फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन करवाया।
अनम्यूट कर रखा है क्या?
Mute yourself.
Ma'am, I have done Shaurya.
Arav Gupta. Ma'am, I have done Arav Gupta.
Ma'am, I have done Shaurya. Ma'am, I have done Yuvraj Gupta.
Beta, you have done what? How much have you done?
Ma'am, I have done the first question of the detail.
Ma'am, I have done till first question of the detail.
Now beta, keep waiting. Now keep waiting for others because you people are going too fast.
Ma'am, I have done the answer और आरव के लिए तो कहेंगी मैम कि वेरी गुड बेटा, वेरी गुड बेटा.
Ma'am, I have done.
Ma'am, what you have written after how many in fourth question?
How many hours, HOURS, does the earth take to complete one rotation?
Ma'am, I have done Aksha. Ma'am, I have done.
Ma'am, I am at fourth answer.
Ma'am, please show next answer.
Children, can I remove the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
2 minutes. No, can you please wait for 2 minutes? No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Answer the question in detail. Answer. No, ma'am.
Ma'am done just correcting Tareja till answer 4.
Very good. Very nice. If you have
Also at
done.
answer 4. Can you please wait?
Very nice, beta. Very, very good. Can I remove?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now all of you see this.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Beta, I'm not removing the page. I'm just scrolling it down. Be quiet. Be quiet.
Ma'am, please show the second. Answer the following question in detail.
Beta, children are still doing this. I will not show it right now. First, let everyone complete this page.
Please show question 2 of details. Ma'am, can you please answer the following question in detail? Answer
Beta,
number
no, beta, I will not show Ashray. Beta, can't you listen to me in once? I'm telling, let everybody finish this page first. Then I will share the next page.
Ma'am, I have done Kanav.
Ma'am, I have
Ma'am,
done
screen
answer.
How many are still doing? How many are still doing? Only they will answer.
Ma'am, I have
not
done. Ma'am, I have not done.
Ma'am, I am doing last question.
Okay, okay, do it now. Nobody will talk for at least 2 minutes. Let everybody finish the next one, the last question. Then I will change the page.
Ma'am, I have done Samad.
Ma'am, please turn the page.
Ma'am, I have done.
Ma'am, I have done.
I have done the answer in detail question 1.
Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, I have not done. Ma'am, I can see the screen.
Ma'am is mute.
Ma'am, I cannot see the screen. Ma'am, please share the screen again.
I have done the question number 1 of answer number 1 of detail.
Children, listen. Do you have any problem of speaking non-stop? Can you give a little chance, little patience to your teacher? Can you have a little patience for your teacher to do her work?
Ma'am, please show answer 2.
Ma'am, answer 1.
Ma'am, please show answer 2. I can't see answer 2.
Ma'am, please show answer in detail. Answer 2.
Now listen, you have written when the earth, the last thing was that faces the sun has day and the part away from the sun has night. Okay? It is in continuation to the first answer.
Ma'am, please show the first question answer of answer in detail.
Ma'am, please
Now,
send this
beta,
answer in the WhatsApp group.
See it on the class WhatsApp group. I have changed the screen now. Is that fine?
What is
Ma'am, please send this question on WhatsApp group. Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, what is this after it rotates?
After rotates once in every 24 hours.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, what, ma'am, in first answer, you have written the part of the earth that faces the sun has day. So there is a full stop or comma.
There is nothing beta because right after that the next word is and. So remove that. Okay, don't put anything after day.
Okay.
from the sun at night.
Excuse me, ma'am.
It rotates.
Ma'am, what
Yes.
is the meaning? Ma'am, ma'am, the question is saying that how are the days formed, and you have written that this is how days are.
Yes,
They
beta.
are.
Because in my answer I have not only explained about the day, it is for the night also. Because when the earth rotates in 24 hours, both day and night is formed within those 24 hours. Okay?
Okay,
So in your exam, if you are asked a question, how are nights formed? Then also you will write the same answer. Because this is how day and night is formed.
okay, ma'am. Ma'am, in first question, do we have to write nights or a night? Ma'am, what is the meaning
Scroll
of
down.
winter?
Okay, now beta, because I have written nights are, so you make it, this is how day and night is formed. Don't write our form. I will also make this correction over here. This is how day and night is formed. Fine?
Ma'am, what is the meaning of tilted?
Beta, tilted means slanted. Not straight, but a little slant, little diagonal.
Okay, ma'am.
Right.
Ma'am, in answer to what is written after sun, it is.
Sun, the revolution of the earth around the sun and the tilted axis of the earth cause the change in seasons. When the northern hemisphere is tilted towards the sun, it is summer.
This is how day and night.
Ma'am, what is written after summer?
What, beta?
Are formed.
Huh?
What is written after summer?
Beta, tell me the line number.
Ma'am, answer to summer is summer.
While it is
Okay.
winter.
Okay, ma'am.
What causes?
Ma'am, I have done answer.
What shows the change in seasons?
Ma'am, I have done Rana.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, please scroll down.
Revolution of the earth around the sun. Around the sun and the axis.
Ma'am, we have to, after the seasons, we have to write the next sentence in next line or in the same line.
No, beta, in the next line.
Of that was the changing seasons.
मम्मी इधर आओ, आज कॉर्नफ्लेक्स ढूंढ लो, आज कॉर्नफ्लेक्स ढूंढ लेना। मैं दूसरे प्लीज स्क्रॉल अप, मेरा एक ब्रेक हो चुका है।
Yourself, everybody mute yourself.
Ma'am, in the details, excuse me, ma'am, in the details, ma'am, in the answer to, ma'am, what is written, sun, ma'am, sun it is, ma'am, what is written after sun it is,
I to can't see beta sun only. Tell me the line number.
ma'am, please scroll up. Ma'am, the second last line, second word.
Second last line, second word.
ले लो, तुम ले लो।
Ma'am, answer number 2 in detail.
What?
Beta, wait now. Can't you wait? Can't you wait?
Ma'am, summer. Summer.
Ma'am, I have done third also.
Nothing is happening. My screen is hanged. Everybody keep speaking. Your favorite job. Where is sun? Second last line. Who was asking me what is written after sun?
Ma'am, please send answer phone in group.
Be quiet, Raina. Be quiet. Let everybody complete this page first.
Ma'am, last third line.
A leap year. The sun, it is towards the sun, it is summer, while it is winter in the southern hemisphere.
Ma'am, I have done third also.
Congratulations, beta. You will get an award. Now, all of you do this page. I am not sharing the next page right now. Those who have done can leave the class.
The screen. Ma'am, excuse me.
Those who have done this much can leave the class because this is what we are going to do today. I am not going to share anything further.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम एक क्वेश्चन 2 में आप क्वेश्चन 2 रीड कर सकती हैं?
The revolution of the earth around the sun and the tilted axis.
Question 2.
Only question, not the answer. What causes the change in seasons? Is that fine, Samar?